Hello and welcome back to ALH Success Alliance Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's fashion edition, I'm going to bring you with me as I get ready for an evening out. So sit back, relax, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching my Get Ready With Me, and if you enjoy fashion just as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe. I also post information as it relates to health and wellness and lifestyle content, so I would love to have you as a part of this positive family. Now also, I have a Classy Lady membership program, and it is absolutely free. It is a place where women like us can get together and share and learn about fashion, learn about wellness, learn about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So I would love to have you as a part of that as well. So see the link below, and you just go to the website and sign up for the free membership.